Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to add apps to this Hopper. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So there are two methods to add apps. Method one using Google Play Store. First of all, power on your super device and ensure that it is connected to active network source. Then navigate home. Press the home button on the Dish TV remote and navigate to the home screen. And then access the Google Play Store. Go to the All App section and launch the Google Play Store app. Then search or browser. Use the on-screen keyboard to search for the desired app, for example Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, TV, etc. On other hand, you can also browse for favorite apps through the available category. Okay. Then install. Select the desired app and click the install button to get app on your device. Launch and sign in. Further, launch on the installation app and start watching your favorite content once after completing the sign in process. Okay. And second method is using the Dish Hopper app store. Go to the home screen, navigate to the home screen on your Dish Hopper device and access Hopper app store. Press the home button on your Dish TV remote, launch the Hopper app store from the menu and explore the available app via category or search for a specific one and then download. Find the app you want. If they are free, simply click on the download button and then you can download your Dish network. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.